Good morning, guys. Yep, it's been a while. Just been listening to the song. So, guys. Oh, let me turn this off. So, yeah, we haven't vlogged. I'm so sorry. I'm still deciding whether I want to put like the leftover holiday footage in this vlog. Honestly, the longer I take to upload it, the more I don't want to upload it. I just feel like it's too old and it gets stale. But I don't know. If I haven't uploaded it, then I don't know. Do you guys want to see it? But Ossie and I are on our way to the farmer's market. We've been going for the past 3 weekends, and it's like a new thing that we kind of do together, and I really enjoy it. I love the vibe there. It's just so, I don't know, I like it. So I can understand why my brother and his wife always go. But basically we're trying to purchase a lot more whole foods, chemical-free, organic whole foods, and supporting our local farmers at the same time. And their strawberries, like their berries are bomb diggity over there. So sweet, even though they're like pricey, but so much better. It's been a while since they've seen your snacky boy head.
Copy.
I'm ready. I'm walking out the door, mate.
Copy.
Babe, stop. Okay,
sacrifice my heart.
I wanna burn for you, only for you. Look, Ossie needs to clean this up. I'm not doing a very good job, Ossie. Ow! You know how like your throat's not yet awake? That's why that was trembling like that. Yeah, you took it from someone. So I got my coins just in case, because I know that some stores don't accept the card, but a lot of them do now because of the whole COVID thing. I've got so much to update you guys on my personal channel, so head over there if you haven't already, if I've even uploaded the video. Look at my hair. This was my hair from last night and I haven't done it yet, but it still looks fine. Jokes, I'm gonna do it. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do it. Hi, hey. So here we are, guys. We totes forgot a bag. So annoyed. You still brought the umbrella, didn't you? Just don't listen to me, do you? So we're here at the farmer's market.
Yeah, at the farmer's market. See the jelly.
Hi. Oh, shit, all of
At
you.
the farmer's market, you know. This is the farmer's market.
Okay, what do you do here then?
You come here to eat some breakfast and go home.
We bought a bag. 2 bags actually. So they got like organic farm raised eggs. They got bakeries. They got organic stuff, chutney, vinegar. Oh, they've even got coffee. But this ginger bar. Oh yeah. I actually really like the vibe here. They've even got like seafood, organic nuts, all these plants that you can plant at your own house, bread, pies. Oh, avocado. They weren't here last week. We are nearly finished. Oh no, for good. So I also get my bananas from here. Lady fingers. So we got back from the farmer's market not long ago. It was about an hour and a bit ago. And I've just finished washing my berries. I didn't get any blueberries this week because they were kind of expensive. But I got some strawberries and some more spinach. I got some kale in there. I'm about to put some chia seeds in. This is rubbish. Finished making my smoothie now. Look at all that greenness. Yummy. And now I'm going to make use of this rice and turn it into fried rice for Aussie. These are our eggs we got from the farmer's market. There's a big difference with the color of the yolk of these ones and the ones in like your supermarket ones. You take whatever you. There you have it, guys. This literally took me about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes to whip up. So if you ever have any leftover rice, then you guys know what to do. Turn it into fried rice. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. But we're here at this place. We're gonna get fish. And there's these people behind us. And this is the first time for me. Like, oh my gosh. And I'm really nervous because I don't want them to look at me because I'm just a rookie, not really sure what I'm doing. Is this one mine or is this one yours? Okay, can you hit the get the corn? So we're fishing with corn today. I know. What a fun vlog, guys. Our first vlog back in a couple of weeks. And it's a fun one for you. I worked today. Well, we both worked. Aussie came, then we went out to our cafe for lunch. Came back, finished work. And then I thought, oh, you know what? Let's go fishing. Let's actually go fishing because we bought these fishing rods and we were not successful the first time. So we want to make use of it. Yeah, this one is mine. We're going to a different... Oh, can you guys see me? We're going to a different spot and... I'm not nervous. Actually, you know, all I've been doing lately is just sitting at home watching fishing videos on YouTube. That's all I do these days. Read my books, listen to audiobooks, and work and watch fishing videos pretty much. Shows me. Oh, why does it look like that?
Oh.
Oh, did you do mine too? Oh, that's what I was like. I'll do mine. Look at this, guys. Oops. I don't know if this is the correct way. Look, if you're a fishing expert, you have... Please don't come for us. We are rookies in this game. Aussie doesn't like to admit it, but we definitely are. That guy would never admit that he doesn't know how to do anything. He knows how to do everything, apparently. BRB. Alright, guys. Let's hope to get something and hopefully I can cast this properly. Let me lift you guys up a bit. Okay guys, we're back. I don't know how that is, but I've lifted you guys up pretty high. Don't know how much you can see. I'm using a J hook, I think this is. Alright. With that, seriously, just tighten the reel, it's not coming up. Oh my gosh, I don't know what kind of fish this is. Guys, if you know what kind of fish this is, then comment down below. Oh my god, Aussie. Oh my gosh, we caught a fish. Babe, chuck it back in. Oh my god!
One eternity later.
Guys, I finally got a fish. I don't know what kind of fish this is. Come close. Have a look. Have no idea what kind of fish this is. Come on. Come on, it's still alive. Oh, there we go. See, I don't know what kind of fish this is, guys. Bye bye, fishy. Did it swim away?
Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, Aussie! Bring it up.
The big.
Wow, you got it. You have to tighten your reel. Let me. Come on. Aussie got a big one. Bro, Aussie got a big one.
Big one,
We got 3 fishes today. I don't even know what kind of fish this is. Is this a trout? Or a, I don't know. Jeez, it's flipping and flapping. C'est coupé la pêche, mère. Quand piqué dans Wi-Fi, man. Babe, just hold it. Just hold it tight. Just hold it tight. We'll pick it up. Okay.
Big fish with the big boy.
Let me show you. Yeah. Ew, its lips are so lippy. Whoa. Babe, you just ripped its mouth.
Yeah, I'll see. Really, Allah, we find soup over and mom have a maro fear more.
Oh my gosh. Morning guys, it's the next day from when we went fishing. Today's a beautiful day. We've been going to the farmers market for the past 3 to 4 weeks, just buying our fresh produce from the farmers markets, supporting our local farmers and also getting farm fresh stuff, literally from farmers to your dinner plate. And we'll be heading there now. Aussie's just brushing his teeth, but I'm so tired. We played bingo until 1 a.m. Last night was Friday, and we played until 1 a.m. and I won the jackpot, which was like $25, I think, in my little sack here. And usually on Friday nights when we play bingo, I take all those coins and buy my things from the farmers market. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. There's about 80 bucks in here. I'm gonna do an update for my personal channel to basically talk about what's going on in my life, TTC update, and where I'm heading. I'm really leaning towards living a low toxic lifestyle. So pretty much changing all of our cleaning products out. And I've been doing a lot of research about it and which brands to go with, because I just don't have time to just do the whole DIY thing. I mean, maybe when I learn more about it, but right now I just want to buy something. And so I found Branch Basics. I followed them up on Instagram, and that's how I found them, because I follow a couple people on Instagram who live that lifestyle, and they highly recommended that. There is Thieves as well, but Thieves is very expensive. I'm looking at like a $300 investment, even though it would probably last me like a year or however long. $300 doesn't seem much, but it is kind of pricey just for cleaning products, when you could have something like Branch Basics, which is a fraction of that price, I believe. So that's what's going on this morning. I don't know if I should take you guys again to the farmers market, like, I don't know. But I'll definitely show you guys what we bring back. And we really want to go fishing again today, but I don't know if it's going to rain. Bossy boy. Huh? Oh, you see my dimple? See my dimple?
See my dimple?
On your butt. Go show us your dimps. This little pouch is what my mom got me from Hawaii, by the way. Made in Hawaii, USA.
Made from China.
And I also, does anyone else in Australia or America, because I know America, I don't know if New Zealand have Aldi, but I love Aldi, and I'm going to get this when it comes out. It's on sale on the 14th.
That apple made from China.
What apple?
The apple. Made from China.
No, it's made in USA.
Made from China.
Your ass is made from China. I love Aldi. I honestly always get the catalogs, and Aussie always gets angry at me.
Maybe like a
Aussie, look, they got all these little tools, like bits and stuff. $10. So that's pretty cool.
That's stupid. So
Grep. So this is a beautiful day at the farmers market.
What was that?
The sun is just shining so bright. The last 2 weekends have been raining really bad. Guys, we just finished at the farmer's market. Oh my gosh, come here. We got a few things. I had pre-ordered some meats, which will pretty much last us 2 weeks, but these are 100% organic, hormone-free, chemical-free meat, and that's what I'm really leaning towards. I mean, the store or butcher meat for me, I don't know about this guy, but for me especially, is a last resort. Just a small show and tell. So this is the beef. I got some more mince. This mince is so good. It's very much different to the commercial one from the store. I got these because Aussie always asks about these. This is lamb necks. He's gonna make us some soup with this.
Tomorrow, Sunday.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Lamb ribs, baby. I also got some diced beef and some beef chuck. This is good for like stews and soups and stuff like that. I mean, you can roast it too, but I mainly got it for some stew, so I'm gonna freeze that. That was our first bag. We got 2 bags.
What's up? What's up? It's your boy. It's your boy. Yeah, we just finished shopping this morning. Going to get some little things from the mall. And ready for the day, you know. Thanks for coming along with us. See you very soon.
So Aussie's just headed off to the gym. I'm just cleaning our fruits. These are biodynamic spinach. I also got this garlic. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know how this works. I think I might just wait for it to dry out. Hey SV Squad, I just did a mukbang on my personal channel, Vikolia, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe to that. If you haven't already, check out that video and give us a thumbs up. Aussie's outside cleaning his car. Do you guys want to go see? Let's go see. Aussie cleaning his car. Wow. My butt. My mama butt.
Thank you.
Vile ofu solo irang kali. Hey, ke ako?
Le anu fale fa mumu. Eta wile tua le tangata emon. Ola na tau tua.
Me aro kaman.
Yeah, look nice, look nice. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate, for that. Appreciate.
Yeah, ni follow la kidding you for mo ka balilad.
Not today, baby. You tired?
Wow, so rude.
It's not rude, but you know, have a big day. You need to have rest and have some food to eat. Look at that man. Bought a whole case inside his fridge.
Well, did you see what case it was? The reason I asked was because that guy has been mowing our lawn for like the whole 3 years that we've been in this house, just like for free. So we really wanted to, I mean, not that we endorse it, but we really wanted to buy him something, and he always has like a stubby in his hand. So yeah, we wanted to buy him a case just to say thank you, we appreciate it. Blah, blah, blah. I really don't want to pack up this mess. I honestly do not want to pack up this mess. So I'm about to end this vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Blessed week to you all. And instead of reading out comment of the day, this vlog, just gonna show you guys who got comment of the day in the next coming slides. Stay tuned and hopefully it was you.
Hey.
Carl. Here. How do I? Yeah, shall we?